Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying the thread size and pitch for your bolt or hole. Choose the matching tap or die, for example 1/4-20 or M6 threads. Consult a tap drill chart and pick the correct pilot drill, like 7/32 inch or 5 mm. Secure the workpiece in a vise to prevent movement during cutting. Use cutting oil sparingly. 2 to 3 drops at the cutting interface works. Wear safety glasses and keep hands clear of the die stock and tap wrench. Center the pilot hole and start the tap perpendicular to the workpiece. Place the tap square in the tap wrench and apply steady downward pressure while turning clockwise. Turn the tap clockwise 1 full turn, then back off half a turn to break chips and clear debris. Reapply 2 to 3 drops of cutting oil after several turns for cleaner cuts. Continue until the tap reaches the required depth, then reverse the tap straight out to avoid thread damage. Verify the thread by running a 1/4-20 or matching bolt through the hole. Prepare stock to the nominal major diameter for 1/4-20 use 0, 250-inch blank. Clamp the round bar firmly in a vise with about 3 inches exposed. Apply a light chamfer of 1/64 inch to the bar end to help start the die. Place the die in the die stock and set it square to the bar to avoid crooked threads. Start the die and turn clockwise 3/4 of a turn, then back off half a turn to clear chips. Continue with periodic cutting oil and check thread fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.